Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by getting essential tools ready. You already installed the Draw Anime app, so open it and enable stylus pressure. Create a new canvas at 3000px and 72 dpi, then import and lock your reference image to avoid accidental moves. Next, select a basic pencil brush, set opacity around 50% and size between 5 and 15px. Enable line stabilizer. This helps you get smooth strokes quickly. Once done, position your panels and name layers for an organized workflow. You now translate the rough idea into structured art. Start a loose sketch layer at low opacity and block out silhouettes. This makes proportions obvious early. Once satisfied, create separate layers for hair, face, and clothing so you can edit elements independently. Set clothing or shadow layers to multiply to add instant depth. Then, on a fresh layer, do the clean linear using a vector or ink brush, taking advantage of smoothing and pressure for tapered strokes. Make sure to use undo and redo. They keep workflow fast. You finish by blocking flats, shading, and exporting. Fill selections with flat colors, then lock transparency on each color layer so your shading stays inside boundaries. Use a mix of soft multiply shadows for volume and hard cell shading for crisp anime edges. Add rim light to separate figure from background. When ready, export a PNG at original size and save the project file, then back it up to cloud storage. If the app lags or brushes behave oddly, reset brush settings and restart the app. This fixes most glitches.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.